life, I know it was alright. I can't even sleep and I can't get it out my mind. I need to get out of sight, but I end up behind bars. What started out as a simple altercation turns into a real sticky situation. Me just thinking on the time that I'm facing makes me wanna cry. Cause I didn't mean to hurt him. Could've been somebody's son, and I took his heart when I pulled out that gun. Rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum. Man down, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum, rum pa pa bum. Man down, mama, mama, I just shot a man down in Central Station in front of a big old crowd. Oh mama, 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 I just shot a man down in Central Station. I call her Peggy Sue when she fits right down in my shoes. What you expect me to do if you're playing me for a fool? I will lose my cool.